how to create Chatflow on Hubspot, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create it. First open your browser, and then once you're here, click conversation, and here we'll find Chatflows, and then click create Chatflow. Here is it, and that's it. Just keep managing it, and that's it. It's easy. Next, and now just click verify installation, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.